Hi, this is Brian from the IT Capstone team, uh, and in this video I'm going to take you through how to add a new organization to the collaborative uh, if that situation should present itself. So, if you log in to the administrative backend, you'll see the control panel here, the Joomla control panel, and the first thing you're going to want to do is create a new category, because categories are basically the organizations within Juntos. So if we go to the category manager here on the control panel, click that, you'll see the category manager page, and you'll see here all the organizations that are currently in the Juntos collaborative. So, we are going to create a new one by clicking new. First thing you're going to want to do is enter a title for the new organization. Let's just call this new organization. And alias is anything you want to put in it that can basically just tell you a little bit more about the organization, clarify it a bit more, not seen by the public, only can be seen in the administrative backend. Basically, you're mostly going to leave everything on the defaults. And you can enter a description down here of the organization if you would like. It's for your own purposes and your own purposes only. The public will not see this. So basically all you need to do is enter a new title for the new organization. And so I'm creating my new organization here. And then hit save up in the top right here. Now that that new organization is saved, we can see it on the list here, along with the other organizations. And now we have to go about creating menus for that organization, and also content for that new organization's website. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose to create the homepage article for it first. I'll just create one article for this particular new organization. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to content here and then click on article manager. So we can bring up the article manager screen and we can see all of our articles that are currently on the website. I'm going to click new to add a new article, and I'm going to call this new organization home page. So this is going to be the first web page of potentially many for this new organization. And once again, the alias section is completely for your own purposes, and nothing needs to be entered there. Generally, I don't enter anything in that. So we're going to select the section under organizations, and we're going to select a category, and we're going to categorize this under the new organization that we're creating. And we're going to leave the rest of the stuff as defaults. And then type in our content. So let's say welcome to the new organization's web page. And we're going to hit save. And now that we've saved that, we should be able to see this pop up here somewhere. Let's sort this to make it easier. Sort by new organization, and we'll see new organization homepage right there. So we know it's saved. Right now, of course, that's not going to be displayed on the website, so we have to create menus and get this article to display. So the next thing we're going to do is go to the menu the menus tab up here and select top menu. Uh, our top menu, let me show you just so we're clear, is this menu right up here with all the different organizations on it. So each organization has its own top menu item, and we're going to create a new item for our new organization. Now I know, just to say this ahead of time, that when we create this new item, it's going to look a little funky because it's going to end up wrapping around to this area right here, since we don't have any more room up uh, in this top menu. So it's going to start wrapping. Uh, but just for training purposes, uh, we're not going to fix that at the time being. But naturally, since there's no more room, it's just going to move it down another bar. So on our menu item manager here, we are going to create a new menu item or a new link for this top menu up here. So let's go back to the back end and we'll click new.